Hare Krishna, my name is Partha Krishna Das, and I'm going to be showing you how to fill out the Mayapur Community Database. So this best works on Mozilla Firefox. So I'm going to open with that. It can also work on Chrome and Safari, etc., other browsers. So the address is community.mayapur.com. Most of you might have received the email and password for this site in your email. If you haven't, you can contact the MCS office at mcs.off@gmail.com and we will provide you with the password and your member ID or email address with which you can log in. So now I'm going to log in with my credentials. You have to click on the login button to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll come to this dashboard where you see the calendars with the various fasting days, etc. So from here you have to go to your profile, and in profile you'll see a member ID with which you can also log in with your email address or member ID. So here is where you add all your personal details like your first name, middle name, last name, marital status, your languages you speak, date of birth, nationality. In case somebody has dual nationality, then the second nationality, your gender, and all this various information. For more, you can choose what type of phone number you want to add. You can choose the country code and then your phone number. You click add, it will show here. Your email address and website address as well. Address, it goes the same thing. You add house name, apartment number, district is Nadia, pin code is 741313 for here, Mayapur, and your street name, landmark, all these things. And if this is your own apartment or your rented apartment, you can from when you're living, add all this and click save. And then this is the family section. Generally when the administrators add the families, we add all the family together, so then you will see your family members names and how they are related to you in this area over here. Well, I have not added any of my family members yet, or the administrators have not added my family members yet, so you can't see that. But once they're added, you can see them here. Their legal name will be displayed, their member ID, and how they're related to you will also be displayed. So if you click on the member ID, then you can automatically go to that person's um, profile. That's how it will work. And then here's the occupation. Here you can, what is your current occupation, you can put accordingly. Then would you be interested to engage in temple service? Then if you click yes, then you'll see this various things coming up, and you can fill according to whatever suits you. And then here's various skills that you can add, say event management, something, and then you can just save it as well, so we know what skills you have and what we can use your services that you can offer. This is really nice to have because at different times we need different help from different devotees. It could be useful in so many different ways, because at the end of the day we are a service oriented society. So yeah, that's very useful information you can add there. Here is where you add your documents. So you have the various types of documents, as you can see. So you can add, mostly devotees need to add their passport and visa information. So you can just click on, well, I have to say I've added my passport. I'm just going to delete that because I don't really need that. But I've added my driving license. So what you do is you can select your passport. You put the passport number and you put date of issue, date of expiry, Just to show you what I mean is I'm just going to edit this and it'll come up for there. So instead of passport, I have driving license. So I've added the document ID, date of issue, date of expiry, and what I've also done is I have selected the file, my driving license file. So when I click here, it takes me to wherever my driving license file is, and I click on it and I click save. So when I save, as you can see, my driving license JPEG is also here. So when I click on this, it will show me my driving license. So if you can also upload your documents like your passport, your visa, everything that you need to upload here. If you can upload it, then it becomes very easy for the authorities or for the administrators to see that you have valid documents, and if you don't have something, and or you're having the wrong document, we can always get back to you and let you know that okay, you need to do these things to get the right documents. We can assist you in various ways. This helps us to assist you um, in the right direction. And then the record is mostly for internal administrative records. Some things that we record you'll be able to see here. So yeah, that's basically about it. It's very easy, and you can manage your passwords and etc. from here as well. You can go to my account, and if you want, you can change your passwords. So you can have a different password than the original one that we generated as administrators, and when you're finished, you can log out. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, we're looking forward to having your participation in keeping an active and most updated database for Shudha Mayapur. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.